This is getting boring. I am going to find something else to do. Like, what dress-up games can we play today? What's this?
Hello.
Who are you?
Don't play with that shotgun. It'll make you go crazy.
Screw you!
Oh. Amigo, 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 amigo. Please destroy it. Do it now.
Well, I guess I can't play with you anymore, so. What are you doing in my house? Just don't shoot. I'm just enjoying some vitamin water. Blah, blah, blah. What got you? I got you now. Oh, dang it! What is that stuff? I'm gonna get you. He's gotta be near. Got you now. Not for long.
The heck?